There are some new indications that COVID-19 cases are picking back up.
Certainly not good news here. The University of Michigan is warning students that the number of cases in Washtenaw County is increasing steadily after holding steady for a while. And it says U of M students account for 26% of the cases diagnosed in the county last week.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell is talking with the doctor in charge of the university's COVID-19 response. Kim?
The University of Michigan sent out an email to students saying, heads up, we're seeing an increase in COVID-19 cases and you might want to take some precautions. Take a look at this graph from the University of Michigan. As you can see, after declining COVID-19 cases, we're now seeing an increase in daily cases.
I think a lot of people are just done with COVID.
And I have noticed a lot of students don't wear their masks as much because you don't have to in the dorms anymore. But I've noticed a lot more coughing and sneezing and hacking up a lung. So I feel like that's a little concerning.
These cases are almost always linked to indoor social gatherings.
Dr. Preeti Malani is the University of Michigan's chief health officer. She says the trends the university sees will also likely be seen across Metro Detroit. She says fortunately high vaccination rates on campus mean most cases are mild. She says the university wants students and staff to feel empowered to take precautions to protect themselves if they or someone they are around is vulnerable. For example, they suggest considering masking at large indoor gatherings and testing if you have any symptoms.
We want to make sure that people have the types of tools to protect themselves and those around them. And home tests are really one of the big advances that we've seen in the last year. There's some people who don't want to do anything to mitigate the risk of COVID. And then there's others who feel like they really can't leave their home. And the truth is, it's somewhere in the middle.
Dr. Malani says COVID is not going away, and we have to learn to live with it. But fortunately, we know much more than we did in early 2020 about the virus and how to protect ourselves from it.
We're learning a lot more about how effective the vaccines are because we've had so much time now since they've been available. What should people know?
There've now been billions of doses of vaccines given all over the world with minimal complications. These are among the safest vaccines that have ever been developed. They are the first line of protection against severe infection, including hospitalization.
Starting today, the university is giving out free at-home COVID-19 tests to students. If you want to see where you can pick one up, go to our website, WXYZ.com. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much.